Hello guys, I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to unbox a power bank which is made by Xiaomi. So before getting late, let's get started. This is the package that I got from the Xiaomi. So let's quickly open this thing. Now coming to the specs, this power bank is having a capacity of 10,000 milliamps per hour, so which will be easily last for you up to 3 charges for the iPhone 7, and it can easily last you for 2.5 times for your Redmi phones, Note 4 or something etc., which is having a higher capacity 4000. So simply we can say that we can use twice for charging it, and for the iPhones simply you can get for 3 to 3.5 times. So opening the package, we got the power bank itself. So here it is, the 10,000 milliamps MI power bank 2i, which is the second generation, and it is the make in India, and I got this thing for 800 rupees. So here I'll give a quick specs overview for you. So here the price quoted is 1200, but I got for 800, and additionally I got a 50 rupees coupon code. So it is the micro USB type, and it supports micro USB A, and its capacity is 10,000 milliamps at 3.7 volts, and it is having an ampere rating of 2 amps and 9 volts 2 amps, which supports fast charging. Another advantage of using this power bank is it supports fast charging. Both we can charge using a fast charger, and even with this power bank you can charge your phone fastly. Okay, that's a nice option. So let's open this box. Now opening the box, we got another cover. Let me peel this thing. So peeling this thing, here we get the USB cable, so which is short, but it is having the quality, I can say, is okay, but not that much good. Okay, keep this thing aside, and here it is the power bank. It is heavy, which is 250 grams. Wow, it's nice. All the body is made up of aluminium, and I got this the gray color. Here you can see it is the power button, and it is the 2 USB output buttons, and here it is the charging button. By plugging in this cable you can charge the phone, which is very nice. So here is we are having an MI logo, and the back side we have the rating number. That's all. So powering on this thing, yeah, powering on, it is having 2 points, but according to Xiaomi it takes around 8 hours to charge this power bank. So in my coming video I'll show you the charging time and the quality which we get with this thing. So on the back side, here is the same specs. We get 5 volts at 2 amps and even 9 volts at 2 amps, which I say it is a fast charging. So it is 10,000 milliamps, which is very good. So that's it guys, that's it for this video. In my coming video I'll show you the review of this thing. So thank you for watching. Thank you guys.